Imagine, if you will, a world where the farthest reaches of our solar system hold more than just frozen rock and silence, where the destruction of a single lonely planet unravels something ancient, something waiting. The story begins not with a bang but with a whisper carried on the solar winds, drifting through the void until it reaches us. Pluto, that distant, forgotten world, a speck of ice and shadow at the edge of everything we know. For years it was dismissed, debated, demoted, no longer a planet, just a footnote in astronomy books. But what if Pluto's destruction was never just about Pluto? What if its demise was the first domino to fall in a chain of events we were never meant to witness? Picture it. The moment it happens, telescopes catch the anomaly first. A flicker in Pluto's faint glow, a shudder in its orbit. Scientists dismiss it as instrument error, a trick of the light. But then the images sharpen. Cracks spiderweb across its frozen surface, not from impact, not from natural decay, but as if something beneath the ice is pushing, straining to break free. The transmissions grow erratic, static, bleeds into the data feeds, and then silence. Pluto is gone. Not shattered, not scattered into asteroids, just gone, as though it were plucked from existence by an unseen hand. At first, the world reacts with scientific curiosity, then unease. Theories spiral, black hole intervention, alien technology, a dimensional rift. But the truth? The truth is far worse. Because after Pluto vanishes, the messages begin. Not from our satellites, not from any human technology, but from the darkness where Pluto once drifted. Faint, distorted signals pulsing in rhythms that don't match any known cosmic phenomena. At first they're dismissed as interference, echoes of dead stars, until linguists notice a pattern, until the signals resolve into something unmistakable, a countdown dot. And then, the disappearances start. Deep space probes go silent first, one by one, their final transmissions filled with garbled audio, something like a voice, but not human, not mechanical, something alive. Astronauts aboard the ISS report hearing whispers in their sleep, dreams of a vast, shapeless presence just beyond their view. Then the reports trickle down to Earth, radio operators in the dead of night picking up the same pulsing signal, now stronger, now closer. People near observatories vanish. Not a trace, no struggle, just empty chairs, cold coffee, and static buzzing from their radios. Governments scramble to cover it up, calling it mass hysteria, technical malfunctions. But those who've heard the signal know better. They feel it in their bones, a creeping dread, the certainty that something is coming, something that wanted Pluto gone first. Because Pluto wasn't just a planet, it was a lock, a seal, and now that it's broken, what waits on the other side is stirring. The final signal arrives not as sound, but as light. A single, blinding flash from the void where Pluto once orbited. Every telescope trained on it goes dark. Every astronaut who ever looked toward that lonely world wakes screaming the same phrase, "It's eating the dark." And then, the most terrifying realization of all, the countdown wasn't for it to arrive, it was for us to realize we were always next. Now, look up at the night sky. Tell me, do the stars seem farther away tonight? Or is it just that something is closer, blocking them out, one by one?